Hi, Kaizen Sensei here. Gonna give you another lesson. Today we're gonna talk about something called SWOT or SWOT. It's a neat tool, very simple but very powerful whenever it comes down to helping you assess or pre-assess your situation so that you can develop a strategy and how you can go forward. Okay, so I'm going to write it down. Okay, S, strength, weakness is, weaknesses. Okay, anyway, opportunities and threats. Okay, I'm just kind of like, don't need to spell it out. I think you guys know what it means. Now, what's important about this tool is that you really got to divide it into two time frames. Okay, let's just put a line here. And this is now, which is current, and the other one is future. Some people call it current state versus ideal state. I mean, that's a different class that I'll be teaching you. But let's just look at it that strength and weaknesses reflects upon what you are right now. What are your strengths and weaknesses now opposed to, I'll write it down, opportunities and threats. Okay? Now, what are the opportunities and threats in the future? What something you can take advantage of, and what are the obstacles that get in your way? Now, let's take a look at our pending situation, COVID-19. A lot of us are in what, lockdown? Some of us are quarantined, can't do anything, okay? Usually my strength is meeting with a group of people, looking at them eye to eye, ask questions, we go back and forth. That's my strength. I'm gonna tell you my weakness is talking in front of a stinking iPhone, because I don't know what's coming from you. So I'm gonna have to give you information from here on a one-way street. My weakness is sometimes not being able to communicate properly. What was that movie, Cool Hand Luke? I think we have a failure to communicate. Well, that happens if it's just a one-way street. Communication is two ways. My strength is that I like to talk to someone and get their feedback and try to come to some sort of understanding where we can go forward. All right, enough of that. So, your strength, my strength here is meeting with people. So in order for me to capitalize on an opportunity, I'm going to have to use what's available, okay? What's available. Years ago, we didn't have videos, we didn't have cell phones, we didn't have a whole lot of things, which included the internet. If this happened to me in the 60s or 70s, we'd be home. We'd have like 3 or 4 channels to watch on television, and I'd be reading newspapers or books to pass the time, or maybe I'll go outside and dig up a garden. I really don't know, but I remember the 70s. It's not like it is now. So the opportunities that we have today, for me, I have a cell phone that can go into the internet. I can create content. Okay, if I need to talk to a customer, I can always use the phone. I can text. I can email. I can use Zoom. I can use Skype. I can use FaceTime. I can do various ways of communicating, okay? So that means that I have opportunities for me to go ahead and do what I need to do to add value to my customers, to my friends, to anybody else. We do have those choices. And so do you. I don't know what you have because you have your own particular, your own universe. So as a manager, as an owner, as an employee for a company, there are things that you can do. You just got to use your head, and that's some of the strength, and not use the weakness of being stupid. Because I'm going to admit, I do stupid things. That's why I'm who I am, right? So the opportunities are there, but just because you have those opportunities, you can't be blinded, because there are consequences, there are threats, those are obstacles. Find out what those are, and then develop a plan and develop a strategy. And the way you do that is through Kaizen, which is continuous improvement. Take one small step, okay? Each step that you take, a positive step, itty bitty steps, will make you better in who you are and what you do. And that's my little thing that I'm sharing with you today. Hope you like it. Be sure to comment below, and look forward to talking to you more through my iPhone. Kaizen Sensei here. Aya! Say, be safe, be well.